What's the meaning of catabolism? Catabolism. Catabolism.
Catabolism. Catabolism. Catabolism refers to the metabolic process in which complex molecules are broken down into simpler substances, releasing energy in the process. It is the opposite of anabolism, which builds complex molecules from simpler ones. In catabolism, enzymes break down larger molecules such as carbohydrates, fats, and proteins into smaller molecules like glucose, fatty acids, and amino acids. This breakdown releases energy that can be used by cells for various metabolic processes, such as ATP production. Overall, catabolism plays a crucial role in providing organisms with the energy they need to carry out their vital functions.